Do you want to become a better motorcycle rider in 2025? If so, then perfect, because in this video I have 8 tips for you to help make you a better rider in 2025. Becoming a better motorcycle rider in 2025 involves honing your skills, staying updated with the latest safety practices, and continuously learning. If you follow all the tips in this video, 2025 will be your best year yet on a motorcycle. Let's go. Number 1, master the basics. Ensure you have a solid understanding of basic riding techniques. Practice smooth acceleration, braking, and cornering. Number 2, advanced riding courses. Consider taking advanced riding courses to learn new techniques and improve your existing skills. These courses often cover emergency maneuvers, advanced cornering, and riding in various conditions. Number 3, stay updated on safety gear. Invest in high-quality safety gear, including a helmet, gloves, jacket, pants, and boots. Look for gear with the latest safety features and technologies to keep you as safe as possible. Number 4, regular maintenance. Keep your motorcycle in top condition by performing regular maintenance checks. This includes checking tire pressure, brakes, lights, and fluid levels. Number 5, ride defensively. Always be aware of your surroundings and anticipate potential hazards. Maintain a safe following distance and be prepared for sudden changes in traffic. Number 6, practice in different conditions. Gain experience riding in various weather conditions and terrains. This will help you become a more versatile and confident rider. Number 7, join a riding community. Connect with other riders to share experiences, tips, and advice. Riding with a group can also provide additional safety and support, as long as they know what they're doing. Number 8, stay informed. Follow motorcycle safety blogs, YouTube channels, and forums to stay updated on the latest trends, tips, and safety practices. For example, you can find my channel, Instructor Cory, on YouTube, which offers valuable insights and tips for motorcycle riders, both new and experienced. By focusing on these areas, you'll become a more skilled and confident motorcycle rider in 2025. Go and get it. And if this is something you've been dreaming of doing for a while, there's no better time to get started than now. Are there any other useful tips you think would help a new or experienced rider become better in 2025? Leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more awesome motorcycle content. But what if you're worried about riding a motorcycle during the holidays because you've heard it can be really dangerous? Well, then watch this video next. Catch you in the next one.